Welcome back everybody, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this gradient glow displacement effect in After Effects. So the first effect, I'm going to add Displacer Pro. It's a free plugin. I'll make sure to link it in the description. So I'm going to head over here to the beginning of our clip. I'm going to put our translate Y at 20. Then I'm going to create a keyframe, open up our timeline. Then I'm going to head towards the end, about right here. Gonna put it at 0. Gonna highlight our keyframes and ease them. Gonna push my keyframe back. Then I'm gonna edge behavior and put on edge repeat. So it kind of repeats the border right here. So if I were to have it on none, you can see that there's a black border. But if I were to put on edge repeat, it just repeats it and gives this cool tile effect, like motion tile. So once after I'm adding Displacer Pro, I'm going to add 4 color gradient. Then I'm going to put it on blending mode. And then on the blending mode, I'm going to have it on overlay. And with this, you basically just want to click on our colors right here. And maybe just mess around with the colors. And then you could pinpoint where you want the colors coming from. So I'm going to have white right here. Maybe coming off her face. To maybe around, maybe like a cool teal color, yeah. Whoops, press OK. Then I'm gonna have it maybe coming on the money right here on the table. Whoops, hold on. Then I'm gonna have it right here. Then I'm gonna add a green hue right here. And click right here. I'm gonna place it maybe around right there. Again, you just want to mess around with the colors and the positions of those colors. Next, I'm gonna add glow. We're gonna put a threshold at 42, our radius at 77, and then our intensity at 1.6. And you can already see how it's giving this cool glowing effect. So I'm gonna close it out right there. I'm gonna add for our next effect, exposure. Put in right there. Put our exposure at 1.5. Gonna save it right there. I'm gonna add noise, and I'm gonna put our amount at 14. For the last and final effect, I'm gonna add radio blur. Gonna drag it right there. Put on zoom, then high. Gonna head over to the start of our clip. Gonna put it at 20. Click on our time watch to start a keyframe, head towards the end, put it at 0. Gonna highlight our keyframes, F90 ease them, then we're gonna push it towards the end. Yeah, that is how you create a 4 gradient color glow displacement effect in After Effects. I hope you guys learned something new from today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.